Okay, here we go, last one. So we got this stuff set up. I'm gonna look at this in 3D because I bet it looks really weird. It doesn't look terribly weird, but it's kind of weird. One of the things that I'll notice right away is that these walls are probably going to be overlapping a little bit. So what I probably want to do is select these two walls and move them. And one thing I can do is, even in 3D, I can pick a node, like I'll pick this little node here. Oh, what happened? And you can see it gives me a pet palette. So this allows me to stretch the height of it. This allows me to drag it. So I want to drag it. I want to drag it down to there, and then I want to drag it up to the top of the wall like that. I'm not totally sure that's correct, but let's go with that for now. So that's my frost footing. You can see my door is not at the right spot. Is that because of this wall? Nope, my door is at the right spot. And here's where we have this issue, right? We've got this little bit of an overlap. Probably what I should do is split this wall at a different spot. So let's see if I can do that right here. I should be able to select this wall, click and drag that node over like that. Take this wall, click and drag it over like that. And that should have resolved it, but it didn't. What did I do wrong? Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's not going to happen. So we're just going to have to accept that as a little glitch. It's a BIM glitch, building information modeling glitch. That's what it is. Okay, so now I want to keep going with windows and doors, but what I want to now put in is the garage doors. The reason for doing all this was to get the garage door at the right spot. So I'm going to go down and pick up the garage door. I can Alt click that guy, and right now it's set up as a 9x7 door. And for now I'm just going to plop it in here. I need to line it up with something at some point, but let's see what the magic plans say. Looks like it probably is a 9x7 door, and it's probably centered on that wall, or centered on the space, I should say, inside. I don't really have a center line, so I'm going to draw a line like that. And then I'm going to Control D from the center line of the garage to the center of that line. It puts me right where I want to be. Let's see how that looks in his elevation, see how close we are to how he was intending that. Kind of close. Kind of close, maybe? I don't know. Something's off there, right? I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, it actually looks like there's no overhang here. It looks like it goes right to that line. So it looks like, in fact, this roof has no overhang. Or it just has the 6-inch overhang. So we're getting there. Look at that. We're getting there. So keep going on this. Try to get through all the windows and doors all the way around on the first and second floor. And then the last thing I would like us to do is stairs. Stairs are a little tricky. So what you can do is use some of the pre-made stairs, and we know we have a straight run stair, right, on this house. A straight run stair means that it runs straight. goes straight up, straight down. There it is, just like that. And the way that other stairs work, a switchback stair is a stair that goes up, and then there's a landing, and it switches back the other direction. This is straight up, straight down. So what we've got is right here, we got this guy, right? And this is 9, 5 1/8, and 9, 10 1/4. That's our almost our floor to floor. We're gonna have to adjust those, but we can go like this. And figure out where that goes. I'm pretty sure that that comes about a foot down from there, and it goes about, let's say, 5 feet up like that. We're going to have to position this exactly at some point, and we'll have to do that after we get the interior walls in. But it looks like, well, that's 4, 6, right? So we've got 4, 6. Okay, I got that right. And that looks, well, that's 6 feet minus a foot, so that's probably 5 feet. Turn off my magnet here so I can select a little differently. Yeah, that's about right. But the stairs are going up. Stairs that go down look right? So if I go Control 7, 9, 10 1/4, but the stairs that go up 10, 5 and 7/8, they only go up 9, 5 and 1/8. So I want to adjust that. So I want to pick this stair and edit stair. I'm going to edit the straight run stair. Let me edit the selected one, and I'm going to call this Forsyth stair. And I go in here, I'm going to unlock this, and I'm going to set that to our height, which is, oh boy, now I don't remember, 10, 10, 5 1/8. And what it should have done is change. No, it didn't change my. So one of the things in building code is this: the riser height needs to be less than 7.5 inches. So I'm going to need to increase the number of risers, the number of treads, excuse me, to get down there. So 16. I probably need 17. Yeah, 17 is about right. It extends the length of the stair. You can see, so that happens. So that's 7 3/8 for a rise. Those are 7 3/8, perfect. Let me make sure that I got that height right. 10, 5, it should be 10, 5 and 7/8. 10, 5 and 7/8. So that's how I do that. Now, one of the things that I'll need to do is cut a hole in the floor, right? Because the stair has to go through a hole in the floor. So I'm going to select my slab tool and pick this, not that slab, I'm going to pick this one, that one. And with the slab tool on and the slab selected, I can use any of the geometry methods, but I can use a geometry method to cut a hole, and I'm going to cut it to this dashed line because that's the nose of the stair that's projecting past it, like that. And that cuts a hole in the floor. And then if I go up, there's my stair going down. I'm going to pick that slab, and I'm going to cut a hole in the floor like that. And if you remember, where this is that sort of flower ledge where there's, you know, whatever's going on there. So I can do that. So let's look at this in 3D. Let's zoom around a little bit and see how it feels. There's the stair going down. There's a stair going up. Easy peasy Japanesey. So let's try to do this week. Let's try to by the end of Wednesday and in the class tomorrow. See if you can get all the stairs, windows, doors in on the main and upper level. And that's it.